Previously on.
How belated old are you now? How belated How old are you now? Guys, I'm so happy right now because Fuffy's coming to see me. Fuffy's coming to see me. You know it's sad when you're excited to see your friends because you only got like this many, if you have that many, like in Canada, of course. But she's coming to see me. Yo, you guys, I have not seen Fuffy since February 19th when we got off the plane. And I gave her, Marlon brought her jacket at the airport. Like, I have not seen her since then. She's disgusting. And when I went to Jamaica, I brought her back her Kool-Aid because, like, you know, like, there's just weird things that we like. And one of the things that we have to bring back is juice mix because some flavors you don't have here in Canada. Right? So, like, I have her Tang Lime. I have her Tang Pineapple. I have her Charcoberry Cool. I have her Charcoberry Fin Kool-Aid and ting. And I shouldn't even give them to her because, yeah, yo, this one flavor I bought, I've never seen it ever before. Blue Raspberry Lemonade, never seen it ever before in Toronto. So I almost put that in her bag. Oh my gosh, and then let me show you guys what my favorite snack was this time. When I eat it, I will show you guys. But these chips, it's called chicken chips or chicken and chips. Oh my gosh, one day when I was with Julian and we were picking up the school, picking it up from school, his son, Jay, had it and he was just like, oh, I share my chicken and chips and none or whatever. And I'm just like, where the hell did he get chicken and chips? So I was thinking like, KFC, like, you know, I was getting hungry. And then like I realized it was chips and I tasted it and it tastes so good. Like it legitimately tastes like chicken and chips. Which I'm pretty sure it was the concept. But yeah, like it's so good. So anyways, I'm just really excited. Lorraine. Tiffany's coming to see me. And yeah, like I haven't seen my friend in so long. And it's like May, you know? So I miss her. I'm so happy. So yeah, I'll see you guys when she gets here. Her bus just came, so I'm super stoked. Can you tell? She's there, look, she's there. He's here. She's right there. Who is it? Yo, my door was open. Oh my god. Hi, Tiffany. Did you miss it? I haven't seen you since February 19th.
Really?
The last time I seen you was when we came back. I haven't seen you since then.
No, we went to the mall before you left to go to Jamaica again, you whore. What are you talking about? We got popcorn.
So, but anyways, Tiffany's here, you guys. I miss her. I haven't seen her since February 19th, yo.
No, it's actually not February 19th. It was like, when did you go? March? Something.
That's so funny. I totally forgot about that when I went to change my shoes.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
You're so mixed up.
So yeah, I got this candle, right? It's from Charmed Aroma. I don't know if you guys heard about this candle. The jewelry inside.
You better hope it's
So I hope there's some good jewelry in that candle. I have another one. So
I've seen it and I'm like, yo, should I get it? I could get my own wedding ring.
like, hello. I hope there's some good jewelry in there when I get it appraised. I hope that there's some good monies in there because you know what I'm saying?
They
Shoot.
like showing getting her card.
Who, my mom?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, so this vlog's gonna be up afterwards. Yeah, after. But tomorrow's Mother's Day, so big up all of the good body mother them. Big up all of the good up mothers them from all over the world. Big up my mother, Nora. Big up yourself anyway you're there. Big up my sister, Latoya. Big up yourself anyway you're there. Big up Angie. Big up yourself. Those me big up my mother-in-law, Barbara. Big her up. Big up Auntie Maxine. Big her up. Big up Kim, the mother I'm picking them.
So the same
big her up.
Yourself next year? You're gonna put yourself somewhere?
Next year I'll be like, big up me. Kamisha, big up yourself. Happy early Mother's Day, even though he's not here yet. Big up yourself. Your first almost Mother's Day.
Me.
Where's your child?
It's not showing yet.
Okay. Yeah. And yeah, I guess anybody else that I know that. Oh, big up my Auntie Valerie. Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, big up all my mothers, them.
Something like that.
Big up Uno. We're just going to Walmart right now. See? We're at Walmart. Ah, we're going to Walmart.
It's unfortunate, but I just saw life set. You do good for people and they will forget. Though it makes I upset, man, move on and just step. I saw we go, yeah. Cause some will use it for the money, use it for your fame, use it for the car, and them will use it for your name. No, them will lose what them did gain.
I'm going to electronics. I'm going to see how much a tripod is. I can't find my tripod. It's just all of a sudden gone. I don't know where, but it's gone. And yeah,
a new one.
I need a new one. Yeah, because I've been trying to record, yeah, videos, and I can't.
Ooh, you want to get nachos?
Do I want to get nachos? Are you gonna buy them?
We make like nachos and stuff, you know?
Oh, like actual nachos?
Like the nachos.
Like with meat?
Yeah, we can make it work. Remember we did it the last time?
Aw, tripods.
I mean, like you'll make it because I don't really feel like cooking, but you know, like I've been exhausted this week.
From what?
I'm sleep deprived, you know, I'm going through a lot of emotional distress.
Girl, you need to get your life to Gaza.
Kidding. Only kidding.
So,
But where is it though?
maybe they don't sell tripods?
They probably.
I'm assuming that they should.
Cause man see them true colors, yeah. That's why me lose no fuck, yeah. Man see them true colors, yeah. That's why me lose no fuck, yeah.
No?
Because he was saying that guy wouldn't know something about a tripod if they had it.
You guys, this is the camera I want. You have one?
No, I said I need a new camera.
Oh, it's working. Oh my god, it never works. Is this a sign?
You should have it.
This is the camera that I want, you guys.
I want a Canon.
It has the flip screen and everything. Okay, tell me how I look. Okay, wait, hold this, because I want to see something.
You didn't think of that before.
Shut up. I just want to look at my lipstick. Like, what is the purpose
I claimed you, like you are mine. Yeah, like this is my bitch. Yeah. I got claim. I got claim, like,
oh, shit.
You're gonna go home tomorrow and he's gonna see lipstick and he's gonna be like, what were you doing?
Marlon doesn't care what I do.
Say, I got claim
Marlon
on
does
this.
not give a- okay.
I got claim on this. This is my caramel chocolate.
Oh, you tell
baby.
baby. I am yours.
Oh, man. Oh, baby. Booty like story. Yo, why are you struggling right now?
Nice though?
Ooh, when you said it works, I didn't know it actually like work.
Yes.
Like work.
But like that's pretty clear.
That is really good. Those like them professional pictures. I'm honestly gonna get one of these cameras just now, Zoe. I have to.
Oh, it's not touchscreen. Yeah, but this is what I'm saying. Like, I need to get one before I go back to Jamaica. Like, if I go back to Jamaica again and I don't have a new camera, I'm not going back. I'm not going back, you guys. There will be no more Jamaica vlogs if I don't get a camera. So motivate my ass to get a new camera. So I can go to Jamaica. GoFundMe. I'm gonna set up a GoFundMe page. Would you guys donate? No, seriously. I have 408 subscribers. If each of you guys send me $1.
GoFundMe.
No, legit. If each of you guys send me $1, I should be able to get this camera because this camera is only $498. I can come up with 98.
You could send it.
I can come up with 90.
Send it in the US. Send it in the US.
Yes, and then I'll get more. Jesus, this is for her friends. Exactly why we're friends. Let me check over here. I didn't see anywhere.
That's what he said. He said some man in the blue vest.
Well, for the man in the blue vest, because he should be where the blue is.
Which is inside.
Everywhere. Especially warmed up. TheBomb.com. Warmed up. This shit is so good. But Fuffy's buying nachos.
You can pretend for so long, but no more. Yeah. So I'm the master, and I'm so sure. Them smiling at your face and gossip behind closed door. Them want you lose your way after we've been so poor.
No, it's the great value cheddar cheese.
No, I know, but I like this. I like the combo.
So get one. No, that's.
Sorry, it's 8.
No. It's gonna be $4. This is Farmer's. Oh, never mind. That's Farmer's Marble.
They're so wicked.
Wait, is the light one?
Ew.
What? Light?
Who likes anything light?
It's probably gonna taste the damn same. See light cheddar? Wait, light cheddar. Wait, just bring it in case. Okay? This is what happens when the price is not right. Just put all of them in there. We'll bring it up there. What's the price of this? Is it this? No. Is it it? Yes. Whatever. We'll take it. Okay? Let's get the cheapest fucking sour cream, which is the one in the blue at the bottom.
This one.
Yes.
127.
There you go.
Like, how dare they do that?
Let me just see if my tea is here.
There's still more in it?
Yeah. My tea is here. You finished it?
That's why I threw all the rest of it in there.
Oh, my tea is here. My celestial tea. Yeah. And then ground beef. Turn in this aisle and just go all the way down. All the way down. Like deeper. So deeper.
I don't have to buy wings. But I have pizza in my fridge. Yeah. It's pepperoni and ground beef. It's from Domino's. I tried it.
We are done.
Oh, Mother's Day. Isn't that what we came here for?
I'm gonna go to Dollar Store today, girl.
I thought that's what you came here for.
Ooh, let me buy some chips. Tiffany said I'm cooking, but she's insane.
You're making the
Baby, no, baby. You came to see me. You're supposed to cook for your wife.
What? No. Here you go. I came home.
You're supposed to come cook for your wife. Come on, babe. You're supposed to cook for me.
Where are we going?
In the line.
This one?
Yeah. I was about to say making tacos.
Tacos.
But I'm making nachos. Should I turn on the oven?
Oh, yeah.
Let me take out the pan.
Oh.
Oh,
I
I,
wanna throw
can
some of
actually
these out.
use the clear ones.
For what? I want to take some of this grease out because I don't want them for grease. And then this thing has fat in it too. Why are you?
It's not on you. It's on the ground beef. What's your friggin' problem? You guys, she did her own hair. I'm so proud of her. She did the fox locks.
Well, what is it called? Goddess locks or something?
They're faux locks.
But these ones are called goddess. I'm trying to do the goddess thing.
What? The curls?
Yeah, that's what they call them. These ones, they call them like the goddess. Why'd you stop the music though?
Because I need my phone to vlog.
Yo, my nose is sweating. Why you having like all?
Tell me what you're willing to do. Oh, tell me what you're willing to do.
Kiss
it,
it
better, baby. They don't see it. They don't see it.
What if you pulled my pants over and then like all you see was my big old drawers? Like
Been waiting on the
my nose is hot.
I breathe in you right back.
I said my nose is hot. My nose is sweating.
Her nose is hot. That's why it's sweating.
like I'm like sweating right now.
Do you watch the vlogs? Oh god. Alright guys, so is your seatbelt on? Okay, good girl on. Gonna go bring Marlon his car. This is a little
This lighting is so terrible for me.
It's like Kashai would say, I'm so dark.
I'm not so dark. I like my skin, okay?
I'm so dark.
Your camera's just shit. We'll just put it that way. Could you go, please? Yo, do you remember the dog?
Purple Rain.
Every song was Purple Rain, Purple. I'm like, sing something else so I know you actually know the song.
Snapchat had the Purple Rain filter. Oh, it was so pretty. I didn't even know what it was for. I just took it. I was like, oh, this is pretty.
It's purple. It's pretty.
It wasn't until somebody else said Purple Rain. I was like, oh, it's Prince.
Yeah.
Anyways.
That was just a robbery.
So yeah. That's what's up.
See that spay?
Nay. That is not
Imagine I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna bring my boyfriend. How about him?
I mean,
Better?
looks can be very deceiving.
Better?
So he's a little bit more.
He's musical.
He's a little bit more kept.
Yeah, but you know, like we can work on that.
Yeah, no, he's a tugs. We're not gonna.
And he's in Jordans.
Yeah, we're not gonna do with him.
Yeah, we'll just go for the musical
And his
one.
ankles are tight. So.
You know, we'll just go for the artistic one. I'd like to think I'm more artistic. Anyway, so. How about him? No.
Yeah, you don't like those Jamaicans, but you want them Jamaicans, eh? You want them freaking small island boys?
You know, like the MAGA.
Yes! Sockets! She likes some MAGA. Yo, can you fix this? Okay, wait. Yeah, she likes some MAGA.
You know, like MAGA and strong. They have to still be able to pick me up, though.
Yes!
Like what?
You're an idiot. You are a complete fool.
Turn up.
Anyways, guys, how's your day? What are you guys doing for Mother's Day? I got cards. Tiffany got a card.
A card for myself.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know if I was recording when I seen Devon,
No,
but yeah, if you guys remember that Prince Carter vlog, the dad, I was trying to convince him that his woman, who is my
Mother's
friend,
Day.
she's technically a mom. She is pretty
a
much
mother.
9 months.
She is a mother.
You know, he's like, oh, it doesn't count until
She's
her
still
belly.
taking care of the
Yeah,
child.
he's like, it doesn't count until you pop out the baby.
yeah,
So what do
no.
you guys think? Comment below. Let me know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think you're not considered a mom until the baby is officially out of the woman?
But
or
you're
do you
still
guys
taking
think
care of
once
it.
you're carrying a child, you are considered a mom? I think once you conceive and you're carrying a child, you're a mom. Because like, what if you have like, what if the baby dies? You were still a mom. You still carried a child, so you know you were still a mom. Like guys are dumb.
Because he doesn't want to buy a card.
Yeah, he just don't want to buy a card. Kamisha, happy Mother's Day! Even though I said it before. Happy early Mother's Day. Really early. Carter should come tomorrow to shut him up, and then he would have to buy so much. Yo, your push gift better be real, girl. If you guys aren't already following me on Snapchat, you should. It's ZO dash. Is it hyphen? Yeah, hyphen ESH 3 A's, okay?
Couldn't make it even.
Follow me over there. It is even.
No,
Zoisha is even.
No, 3 A's is not even.
Can you just switch your mouth?
You should look it.
ZOESHAAA. That's 8 letters. It's even. Just I'm gonna be like, who the fuck is in my car?
Are all these cars up in? These are all there.
Yeah, they all live here.
Holy shit! There's a lot of cars though.
Be right back, guys. They're done. Side, and this is the wine that we went to wine rack and we bought because Tiffany didn't have enough. Ooh, you so strong, baby. Yes, yes, Oh, then some fries, some fun, some frequent.
Oh gosh. Your love is electric. Yo, I thought he was gonna say, you know, honestly,
Fuffy's going home. Ew. She's going home.
oh fuck, it's so cold.
It's so cold. Ew, bye.
I already marked my territory.
On my fucking jacket, like she's dumb. Oh, it's so cold.
It's freezing. Like I'm so cold. Right
I'm kind of nervous to walk back by myself, but
I'm kind of nervous to be
I'm on
this journey.
Oh, I was gonna say, don't forget to take a transfer when you have a Metro Pass. She's balling.
I wish.
She's balling.
I wish.
I've never bought a Metro Pass in my whole entire life, yo. Are you crazy?
Mexican.